This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss module 45 of A Beginner's Guide to Java Programming Language, and the topic we're going to discuss today is called Java linked list as DEQUE. In our previous video we discussed Java linked list as queue. Now we're going to discuss how the Java linked list can be used as DEQUE in Java programming language. So let's switch to the Eclipse IDE where we will execute the program and understand the concept of it. So here we are, viewers. We'll click on the Java project. Over here we'll type the name as linked. Name of the project name is linked list as DEQUE. We'll click on the next button. Clicking on the finish button. Now over here we'll type the name of the method as main. Clicking on the create button. Now we'll right click on it. Module delete it by pressing the OK button. Now we'll right click on the src folder. Go to the new option. From here we'll click on the class. Now type the name of the method of the class as main. Clicking on the public void main method, which will create a void main method in the program. Clicking on the finish button. Now we have this program. Now we'll type the description, and by typing a comment that linked list as DEQUE. Now under the class main, public class main and public void main, we will type DEQUE string. We're going to use this type equal to symbol and type linked list, and this is the syntax how we can type a DEQUE in Java. So here now we'll type add elements at the beginning. So for this we will use, so actually we have to type the name of the linked list as animals we will use in this program, and now we will type animals with the method add and type close in parenthesis cow, name of the animal, first element. Now we'll type system.out.println and then type linked list after add first method. Now we'll type animals. So it will return cow as an output. Now we will type animals dot add first, type dog, close double quotes, close parenthesis, and this will be added as a first element, and then we'll type system dot out dot print ln and then type so we'll type just linked list and over here we will type linked list after add first method. So here we will type the name as plus animals. Now this linked list now contains name of dog. Over here this linked list, this animal's linked list contains the element cow and used with the add method. Both over here we have used add method, over here we have used add first add method, and both are actually returned by typing the name of the linked list, which is animals. Now we will type command add elements at the end. Over here we'll type animals dot add last, use as method, and over here we will type in closing parenthesis name of the animal as zebra, element which will be added at the end using the add last method, Now we'll have system dot out dot print ln and then type close parenthesis, close double quotes. We will type linked list after add last method column, type the name of the animals we were using, the animals linked list. So this linked list now will contain the zebra, which will be added at the last element. Now we will type remove the first element. In this section we will type animals dot remove first, and close in parenthesis we will type, now we'll type system, so we can type remove first, and then over here we'll type system dot out dot print ln, and over here we'll type in close in parenthesis we will type, then close double quotes, linked list after remove first. The first element was added as dog, so dog will be removed after calling this function. So this function, this method is called by typing the name of the linked list as animals, and then we will type remove the last element. The last element was zebra, so zebra will be removed over. So in the end we will just see dog, and we just see cow, because the dog which was added as the first element will be removed right after calling the remove first method, and the last element which was added as a zebra will be removed right after by calling the remove last element method, remove last method. So we'll type remove the last element. Over here now we'll type animals dot remove last method used with the linked list. So now we'll type system dot out dot print ln, and close in parenthesis, close in double quotes we will type linked list after remove last parenthesis colon space, and then type plus, and then animals. Now this all set. Now I'm gonna import one more file, very important. Import java.udl.linked list semicolon. So you can see the whole program doesn't have any errors, but you can see the errors over here. You can see a red cross mark, and on these lines 17, 18, 21 and 25, since Java is a case sensitive language, we have to type L as a capital over here. So you can see the error is now removed. There is no red cross symbol over here on line 17. Likewise, we need to type S as a capital in system.out.println statement, and in the remove first method we need to type F as a capital and remove last, once again L as a capital. So you can see there are no errors in this program, all set. Now we will go to the run option. From here we'll click the run as and click on the Java application. So you can see the output on the screen like this. You can see linked list as cow, which was just added with the help of the add method, and the dog was added as a first element. So the now dog can be seen at the first position, cow at the second position, and then add items at the end. So zebra was used to add the element in the end of the linked list. But here you can see that we have used add method cow, which can just add this element cow in the linked list. But when we used add first method, it means that we're gonna add that particular element at the first position of the linked list. So dog can be seen before cow. Now we used add last method, which is used to add zebra at the end of the element, as add this element zebra as the last element. So you can see zebra in the end. This method remove the first element is used to remove the first element from the linked list, and the first element was doc. So you can see doc can be removed right after calling this linked list. Now this linked list contains the removed element, the first removed element, doc. So doc cannot be seen right after calling this method. Likewise, remove last element method is used to remove the last element from the linked list. And according to our previous linked list, we have zebra added as a last element. So after calling this linked list now, which has the last element removed from the list, which was zebra, so you can see just cow in the end. So we can see cow in the beginning and cow in the end. We're adding first and last element and removing first and last element using DEQUE in Java. So I'm gonna type the description of all these functions. So actually the add first is used. It adds the specified element at the beginning of the linked list. Likewise, the add last, it adds the specified element at the end of the linked list. Likewise, remove first element is used. It removes the first element from the linked list. Likewise, the last element removes the last element from the linked list. More precisely, I'm going to type add first, name of the method, and parenthesis. Now I will type add last in parenthesis. Likewise over here I will type remove first. Likewise over here I will type remove last of the method. So all set. I'm going to once again run this program. The program doesn't contain any error, so you can see the output without any error. So that's all, viewers. Thanks for watching.